Let me, on behalf of my wife and our children who are here, 50% of them are here, the other 50% are not here with us, and our 8 grandchildren. Very warmly and happily and appreciatively welcome all of you to this special evening. It's not a Christmas carol per se. It just happens to coincide with the birth of our Lord, period. It's a night, an evening that Mary and I and our family have decided that our first family, thank you, Lord, our first family deserves to be appreciated in a special way, because the battle that the governor has gone through from the 25th of October 2023 through the course of 12 months, a battle that he was fighting, not for himself, not for his family, but in the interest of our dear state. It was an existential fight for the soul of our state. To reaffirm and reassert that the state can never be anybody's personal property. God does not stop halfway. What God begins, he concludes. Full marks, no minuses. And so we thank God for the signs of his presence in our state. You can feel it. Somebody called us a few nights ago to say that the last time an air of happiness smiles on people's faces, cheers in the hearts of civil servants, the last time it happened was before 2007. It is now that that spirit has come back to Rivers State. So we thank God for bringing all of us together this evening to felicitate with our first family.